Hi folks, welcome once again to AA Silencers. This lovely BMW X4 in the background has just received a full retrofit BMW Towbar kit from ourselves. These are electrically deployable, as you'll see later on in the video, and absolutely lovely. Now this is a brand new vehicle. Clearly with this kit there is absolutely no warranty implications whatsoever. This is exactly as having it done at the BMW dealer. The servers in Germany are updated, so if you ever have to have a software update on the vehicle, it knows it's got a tow bar, you're going to have no issues whatsoever. What we're going to do now is we're going to briefly show you the operation of the tow bar itself. Hopefully you like the video. Cheers guys! So very quickly, and this is super easy, all you need to do to deploy this tow bar is just pop your side panel forward, and in there is a little switch. Press the switch and it actually comes out underneath the vehicle. Press it again and it will automatically retract. That's it. No stowing of tow balls, no scrolling underneath the vehicle in the mud. Happy days. So now if we just push the button, you'll see what happens underneath. This is all done, one touch operation. I say exactly as it should be if you spec this as a factory option. Now this goes round, clicks up into place and is fully deployed, and you don't have to do anything at all. Once in place, we just take you around to the side. You have your ISO standard 13-pin connection straight on the tow bar itself. If it's something you'll be interested in, simply give us a call.